Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today is going to be a quick one. I received a comment and a message through my WhatsApp and through the comment section. Someone actually asked me to actually analyze BTC USD movement, and I've come to do the analysis today, just as what we did on the VIX50 index. So if any chart is confusing at all, you can hit me up through the comment section and I'll come here, we'll look at the chart, we'll analyze it, I'll try to project the next movement from there. So what is BTC movement saying currently according to our own strategy over here? If you look at this, I always tell you, always start from the word. I cannot overemphasize this. Always start from the word, the higher time frame. If you're actually looking for a way to get to know my exact strategy and how I trade it, you must trade it the same way I'm trading it. My overall high time frame is what? The daily time frame. Simple. Always look for what? Start your analysis from the what? The daily time frame. And from this daily time frame, what can you see? It's pretty simple. Can we draw a trend line here? Yeah. Come on, let me change it to what? Blue. Can we have a trend line here? Yes. Is this trend line valid? Of course it is. And if you want to make it valid, you can drag it down to what? Below. And it will just be a 2 touch point, some sort of something like this, right? Let's have this on the line. This is just 2 lines. This kind of trend line is subjective to me. The reason why is just having a 2 touch point. I just want to have max 3 touch points, but it's okay. Leave the trend line there. And the second one, we want to have another what? Trend line of this format. All right. So the most important is this particular trend line that is standing here to me for now, because the trade is above it. Once we have done where is the high and the low? Simple. This is the high and this is the low, and this is what? The high. What is the market currently doing? You should know that as we've drawn this trend line already, what we need is an opposing trend line on the what? The lower time frame. Then wait for change, a realignment of the lower time frame along with this daily time frame. We cannot trade along with that time frame. 2 things can play out exactly at this very point. Look at it. This market pullback, is it going to bounce up? We don't know. Is it going to break the trend line and trade back to this support zone? We don't know. But whatsoever thing this trend line is doing, as long as it's within this range and this range, we are looking forward to what? Buy this particular what? This particular pair. And if it comes down, probably gravitate to some of this level, fine and good because it tapped this one and what? Still move it upward. Having drawn this on the chart, currently we don't know whether it's going to break this trend line or not. How are we going to know? We want to go to the lower time frame and see what is actually going on. And I told you, whenever you leave the daily time frame, scale down to 8 hourly or the 4 hourly time frame. We can easily go to 8 hourly time frame. What is BTC USD saying on the 8 hourly time frame? You can see the daily time frame is telling us the what? Buy, and the 8 hourly time frame is a kind of telling us what? Telling us to sell. There's a red what? Button here. There's a red sign here. So since it's telling us to buy, and the daily time frame is telling us to buy, and the 8 hourly time frame is telling us to sell, either you wait for a break of this trend line along with a change of character exactly above this level. Come on, let me tag that this in church, right? Come on, why is it not typing? Okay. Either you wait for a break of this trend line alongside with the change of character, then, or you wait for what? A break of this trend line. You can still play along with this lower time frame trend line, pending when the character change and it start what? Going up. The moment we have a change of character on this 8 hourly time frame, know that the next point of target is this overall liquidity residing above here. Right? So you keep following this structure gradually coming down. High, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, 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 lower, high, lower, low, possibly creating a lower low, creating a lower high, lower low. We expect what? A change of character, something like this. The moment we have these on this particular time frame, we already know that the 8 hourly time frame has aligned with the daily time frame. Then we can start buying straight up. No stress. So currently, what is the chart saying? The chart is speaking double language. So you must wait for one language to a language of the chart to be what? Clear. And what to make it clear is realignment of this 8-hourly time frame with what? A daily time frame. As simple as that. Once we have this realignment, then we can start launching our order right from what? This particular what? Zone, and targeting what? The next liquidity above, or creating the next higher high. To those that want to invest, possibly you want to hold it for long, wait patiently for whenever 8-hourly time frame change structure. Then you can play along with that overall what? Buyers you have in mind. So thank you for staying to this very moment. If you are not yet subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification in order not to miss the content of this form that will be coming out through this channel. And if you have any chart at all that's giving you headache, hit me up through the comment section, or my WhatsApp line is in the description. You can as well drop the chart and we'll look at it together. So till next time, peace out.